food aggregator Zomato surged in trade today on the back of two key positives. First, its inclusion in the 30-pack Sensex, and second, the shareholders gave it their approval for an 8,500 crore rupees QIP, or a qualified institutional placement. Construction player J. Kumar Infra shares skyrocketed about 16% in trade, gaining the most in 21 weeks, lifted by the optimism in the markets on the Maharashtra election results. J. Kumar Infra recently won a few orders in Maharashtra, which clock in at about 32% of its order book, which is around 18,700 crore. RVNL shares jumped after securing a letter of acceptance from the Eastern Railway for an infrastructure project worth about 840 crore. The project involves earthwork, bridge construction and railway track laying across a few kilometers in West Bengal. HG Infra Engineering shares climbed after the company announced that it received an LOA from NTPC. The contract is valued at approximately 1,100 crore and involves the procurement and installation of 500 megawatts of standalone battery energy storage systems across India. Shares of RITES surged close to 13% after the Northeast Frontier Railway raised its project estimates by over 84% to about 530 crore, as against the earlier estimates of about 290 crore. This project involves railway electrification work for a section in the Northeast Frontier Railway on a turnkey basis. The revision in project estimates will provide a boost to RITES' order book, which stood at about 2,000 crore in the first half of FY25. JSW Steel was among the top losers on the Nifty 50 and Sensex indices, as the metals player is set to exit the 30-share Sensex effective December 23rd. In its stead, food delivery and quick service company Zomato will join the Sensex pack. Adani Energy Solutions fell sharply in trade today. This comes after most Adani stocks saw a modest recovery in trade on Friday, following a sharp sell-off on November 21 that wiped about 2.2 lakh crore in market capitalization away. The sharp sell-off stemmed from allegations by US prosecution that Gautam Adani and other executives orchestrated a $250 million bribery scheme to secure solar contracts in India. Vijay Diagnostic Center shares fell about 5% amid profit booking as the healthcare player's stock hit a fresh 52-week high in the previous session on strong September quarter earnings. Despite a positive market sentiment, even in real estate stocks, shares of Bangalore-based realty player Sobha fell in trade as investors took some profits off the table. Earlier last week, international brokerage Investec initiated coverage on the real estate player with a bullish rating, seeing a 42% upside from current levels. Shares of multi-commodity exchange declined over 1% in an otherwise strong market as short positions built up in the counter. A 7% rise in open interest, coupled with a 61% surge in volumes, signals a bearish trend in the stock's F&O segment.